Welcome back to the channel. This is James with OG Superfly Garage. I was actually challenged to make this video concerning 3 of my favorite car movies of all time. I was challenged by Full Throttle Kinda Guy. John, here you go. Here's my 3 as I stand by the beautiful Columbia River. My 3 are 1974, there was a movie called Bullitt that starred Steve McQueen. That's my number 1. I mean, Steve McQueen was an awesome actor. But that movie, one of the best car chase scenes I have ever seen in my life to date. And then my number 2 is 1974's Gone in 60 Seconds, the original. That one was by far a wonderful movie. It was great. Car chase scenes, excellent. The cars they used were totally awesome. My 3rd one is Ford versus Ferrari. Came out in 2019. That one was really good. A lot of good history there for Carl Shelby and his racer friend Ken Miles. So anyway, so those are my 3. And my challenge goes out to, let's see, I Spider Garage, and let me think of the other one, Big Stick Stains. So there you go. Those are my 2 that I'm gonna challenge. You guys have to actually figure out 3 of your top favorite car movies and then challenge 2 other people. So the challenge is on. So have a good day, everybody. Enjoy the sunshine or whatever weather you have, wherever you're at. I appreciate you tuning in, appreciate you watching. And if you like this, hit that like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on OG Superfly Garage.